What's up, Airsofters? It's the commander of Emmaus Elite Airsoft. I've been talking to the other commander of Emmaus Elite Airsoft, and we decided that we want to do another little video segment along with our little spoof videos and our gameplay. So what we're going to do, just like Evike and just like Airsoft GI, we're going to do little how-to videos. So we want to take suggestions from you guys, inbox them, comment, or make a video response to something that you would like to know how to do dealing with airsoft. If we have the supplies, if we have the guns, we will do it and we'll show you how to do it. So it's just a little thing we're going to start doing. Definitely get some more views with our channel. Help a bunch of people out, because I know when I started airsoft I was lost. I had no clue how to put the mag in my gun, but now I can take a gearbox apart and reassemble it along the help with my other commander. He's a lot better. But anyway, we can start doing that. So we'll take your suggestions and we'll turn them into videos, and we'll hopefully be able to hear from you guys. Alright, thanks for watching.